So in this video, we're going to talk about the driver's license suspension that's involved with the DWI. And this is one of the most confusing aspects of it for people that are calling us. So you've got to think of it that with a DWI, there's really two different proceedings going on. And so you have court, where we're going to decide if you were guilty or not. And that's what I do, what I work with. I'm going to go in here and see if I can win the case or plead out as best I can and keep you out of jail. But while that's going on, your driver's license suspension is being dealt with over here with driver control. And usually I let clients deal with this part of it. And I think this is illegal, but until something changes, this is how it works in Arkansas. So the moment you're arrested for DWI, your driver's license suspension is going to begin then. And then it's up to you to go through driver control, to work out the temporary permit, with the interlock device and do those things. And the reason this is so difficult for us is with the DWI 1, the DL suspension is 6 months. For a 2, it's 2 years. For a 3, it's 3 years. So what you're dealing with driver control, now you're about to lose your driver's license for 6 months and you have to go through the interlock. Over here on the court side, I'm trying to win your case. And more often than not, it's either going to take me longer than 6 months to win it or going to be really close to it. So what we tell folks is just to go ahead and deal with the driver control side, getting your temporary permit, getting the interlock, and doing all those things. Because over here on the court side, if we're able to win it early, then all this goes away. If we're not able to win it on this side, or we're going to have to plea it down to keep you out of jail, then you're already 3 or 4 months into it on this side, and you're almost done with it, or maybe you are done with it by the time we get court resolved. So with the DWI, you really have these two different cases that are going on at the same time. And the reason that we say, client, you deal with this part is just, in our experience, there's nothing really we can do to help you over here. It's a state agency with, they'll tell you everything that you need to do. And if you want to pay us more to do all that, we will. It's not something that we really see value on. And there is a appeal hearing you can do in front of driver control. From what we've seen, it almost never works. The standard is ridiculous on the officer's favor. It's just basically, did you have any reasonable basis whatsoever to pull you over? And we've done a few for free to see if it'll work. We've never seen one work. And occasionally you'll hear from somebody saying that they won their appeal, and every now and then a judge will grant one. But even when we've watched other lawyers see what happens with their filings, that they lose it. And we even watched one lawyer who teaches a class how to beat it, and the filings that we saw from him, they got rejected, they lost too. So our advice to people is just get ready to deal with that 6-month driver's license suspension, and understand that you have that going on, and that's something for you to take care of while we're over here taking care of the court proceeding and trying to win the case.